Hello viewers, welcome back to this course. In this lesson we are going to discuss about the cat command. The cat stands for concatenate. It is going to concatenate and display files. Okay, it will show the content of a file. For example, if you want to get the help, I will do dash help so that we see the usage. Alright, this is the help for you to understand the usage of the cat command. You can see concatenate files to standard output. Okay, so it will give you the standard output after concatenating a file. With no file or when file is dash, read standard input. It will read the standard input when there is no file. So you are going to understand it, and these are some of the flags that are valuable for you, so you can just read it for you to understand it better. But let's see what we have. So let's see what we have. Let me clear the screen. I do LS so that you see the files I have here. I have text 1, text 2, and text 3. Let's see the content of text 1. If I want to see the content of text 1, I will say cat text 1 test1.txt. so what is inside the test1 is going to be printed on the console. So I press enter. Do you see it have hello? So test1 has hello. Now if I cat text2 text2.txt, should be text2 like this. Let's see what is inside text2. Do you see we have word? Okay, text1 have hello and the text2 have word. Let's see the content of text3. Cat text3.txt. okay, it have how are you? That is what is inside the text3. So let me clear the screen. If I want to concatenate the whole of this text, what I will do here is say cat text1 text1.txt, text2.txt, and text3.txt. It is going to concatenate the content of each of these files together. That is the work of the cat, and it is going to print it on the console as well. So let me press enter. Do you see it return the content of hello from the text1, word from text2, and how are you from text3. Okay, you can also create a file from the output. Okay, the output, you can use it to create a file. For example, if I run this command again and use greater than is a pipe that enables me to create a new file. So if I do text4.txt, the output of this command will be inserted into text4.txt. We don't have text4.txt. It is going to be created and insert the content of these three files. Let me press enter now. If I do ls, you can see we have text4.txt. If I do cat text4.txt, do you see it return hello world, how are you? You can see the function of the cat command. Thank you for watching this video.